Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G51, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device using settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings application. From there, scroll all the way down to System, select Advanced, where you will find Reset options. And under here you have Erase All Data Factory Reset. Once you tap on it, it gives you a quick message that performing a factory reset of your device will result in you losing things like your Google account, system, app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Now, half of these things don't really mean anything, because Google accounts, you can re-log in, system app data, you can regain it once you download the apps. Downloaded apps, obviously you can re-download them. Things that you won't be able to get back are things that you keep locally. So if you have music on your phone, on the storage of the device, you might want to back that up. Same goes for photos and user data, meaning some kind of documents and things along those lines. So once you create a backup of the things that you want to preserve, the ones that aren't located on the cloud, you can proceed by tapping Erase All Data, that once again, and this will begin the process. And this will take probably like 2 minutes or so, give or take, and once it's completed, will then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.